My name is Esther Jifa. I am an ECE advanced student here at CMU Africa, graduating in a few days.
My name is Jasper Kwizera, Master of Science in Electrical and Computer Engineering, class of 2025.
My name is Melinda, and I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm a second-year student at Carnegie Mellon University, and I'm graduating this May. I was studying a master's in Engineering Artificial Intelligence.
Empowered. Graduating from CMU feels like being equipped with the tools and mindset to lead impactful change.
I'm excited about graduation. My excitement is because graduation signifies the end of one chapter and the beginning of another.
If I had to choose one word, it would be grateful. Grateful for the journey, the challenges, and the amazing people I've met along the way.
Whilst at CMU, I got an opportunity to learn a lot of things. One of the main things that I learned at CMU was to have so much confidence in yourself. Because most of the time, when we get in a certain space, we lose confidence because we feel like we're imposters. But the fact that you find yourself in that certain space means that you deserve to be there. And this is something that I had to teach myself.
How to approach complex engineering problems with a system thinking mindset.
The power of interdisciplinary thinking, how combining technology, entrepreneurship, and policy creates reward solutions.
No space is ever overcrowded for you to grow or to flourish. Secondly, strategic networking is not overrated because you don't know where your next opportunity will come from.
The importance of community and collaboration. I have grown by learning from peers and faculty from Africa and beyond.
I developed strong collaboration and leadership skills by working with diverse teams, for instance, being the president of the Energy and Embedded Systems Club.
Whenever you feel stuck, ask someone for help because there is always someone who has gone through that. Be it asking alumni, asking a second-year student, or whoever you ask. Just ask for help because there is no point in you being stuck on something for 10 days when you could have asked on day 2.
3, resilience. Pushing through tough projects and adapting in a dynamic environment.
Sometimes you just need to show up regardless of emotions or where your state of mind is at. Sometimes just showing up counts just enough.
The value of resilience, how to stay focused and motivated even under the pressure.
To have so much resilience because at some point in time, the going really gets tough, but you always need to remember that this is just the tough part of the journey. At the end of the day, you are going to graduate. I am graduating this May.
My journey here at CMU Africa has been ever evolving, and I am definitely a better version of myself than I came in with. My leadership roles, such as being a MasterCard rep and volunteering for the first ever breast cancer awareness program, among others, has shaped me into a more intentional leader than I was when I came in.
Coming in, I expected to build my technical depth and explore entrepreneurship. What I didn't expect was how deeply I'd be shaped as a leader, a researcher, and a change maker. From launching Africa Innovator Society to conducting research on entrepreneurship in Africa, CMU became more than a school, it became a platform for impact.
In my second year, I managed to take a number of courses that are really instrumental in the field of AI, one of them being deep learning, and also I managed to take a course called Deep Reinforcement Learning. And I am really looking forward to working on more research where I can get to apply the knowledge that I got from these amazing courses. In addition to taking AI-related courses, I also managed to take policy-related courses here at CMU Africa. And just looking at how AI is being adopted across the globe, it is really necessary for us here in Africa to also start looking at how we can make sure that Africans benefit from these AI developments, and to ensure that we need to have better policies for ourselves. And I really look forward to being on the forefront of this policy-making process.
I had the opportunity to visit the CMU Pittsburgh campus in the United States, and that was one of the most amazing experiences I had. Aside the bigger campus and meeting more people, one key thing that stood out in my experience was a course I took, which was the HCI course, which is Human Computer Interaction for Tech Enthusiasts. And One key thing in that course was where is the meeting point between business and engineering? And significantly, that stood out to me because it exposed me to interact with people in the Tepa School of Business and appreciate the way business people think, and that allows engineers to tailor our designs for the market.
My time at CMU Africa has been transformative. Coming in with a passion for energy systems, I was able to deepen my technical skills in power systems, simulation, and data analytics. Working on technical projects like phasor measurement unity deployment into power systems with Prof. Berry, Prof. Salath, and Rwanda Energy Group, and working on different research in electrical mobility, I aligned my education with my goal of contributing to sustainable and resilient energy solutions for Africa and beyond.
My time here at CMU has been very rewarding. Aside meeting wonderful people and intelligent minds across the African continent, my time at CMU has also influenced the way I think in line with being an engineer.
I am proud of how far I have come and even more excited about what the future holds.